Hello and welcome. This video is part of a series developed to help you quickly enable valuable features and functions across your SAP Ariba solution. In this video, I'll show you the Supplier Risk Management Solution dashboard and how to view risk scores. The solution pulls data from external sources to provide you with a risk profile per supplier that is followed, for example, financial and environmental based risks. Each category manager can configure their own instance for their business needs. You can view the risk summary chart that represents an average score per supplier tracked or followed. Risks can also be viewed per category. The risk score represents an average of the risk scores for all categories, and each category has a low, medium, and high risk profile to easily view suppliers grouped in each profile. Data is provided to Ariba via multiple sources. The sources trawl the internet and sends data to Ariba that then applies machine learning before the data is made available in the tool. There is also a heat map available where the user can drill down into incidents based on data provided by the Economic World Forum. This demonstration shows you the basic functions of the SAP Ariba Supplier Risk Management Dashboard. If you have any further questions, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive or visit SAP Ariba Help for more information.